I have 10,000 rows of sales data. We need some MIS reporting for getting the category wise, product wise, year wise sales data so that the management can take the decision. I have year wise total sales, which is also reason wise sales data. I can further filter using the categories. Any category I can select from here, these categories very easily, and the data would be very much dynamic. So I can further create these kind of reports in the few clicks, you can see. And subtotal is also coming, and I have a lot of formats, predefined formats, which we can change in few clicks, and we will get the dynamic reports. How wonderful it is. So in this video you will learn all these things, how you can create such reports in few clicks. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video, and do comment. So before creating the pivot tables, you need to check your data first. Your data table should have proper header so you can understand what kind of data available in particular row. And second, in your data, all data types should be in proper format. Let's say it is in these are the serial numbers, row numbers, so it should be in numbers so you can count them. Order ID, in it should be in text format, and order date should be in the date format, not in the text format, so you cannot get the summary. How you can check whether it is in date or the text format? You just select any cell of the data, and in the home tab you can see the date is coming over here. If it is text or journal, it means it is not in the date format. So these things you need to remember. The third, and which is very important, there should be no gap in the row and column. It means if I select this row and I remove complete data, it is not connected with each other. If I mention any data over here, so now this table is connected using the shift mode only. Okay, so I'll undo that. So I hope you understand. So there should not be any gap between the columns and the rows. Now we will create our pivot table. So select any cell in the data and come to the insert tab, click on this button, and it will select the complete range automatically, but you can check it before going ahead. Here is two options: creating the pivot table in new worksheet or in existing. So we always recommend to create the pivot tables in new worksheet. In few cases you can create in the existing ones. So this time we will create in the new one. So new sheet is coming over here. The left hand side would be the reporting part, and the right hand side you can see the pivot table fields. Here all the headers of our table is coming on the top of the side, and here we have four options: filters, columns, values, and rows. So first I want the year wise sales. So how I can achieve it? It's very simple. First select the order date and drag in the row. So now automatically pivot table convert the dates in the yearly. If you don't want yearly, then you can right click over here and you can ungroup it. It will automatically convert in the dates. So undo, and you can see the plus sign. Click over here so you can see the quarter 1, quarter 2. If you further click over here, so you will get the data in Jan, Feb or March in the months. So you just collapse them, and now you can drag the total, select the sales and drag to the values. Now you can see the sum is coming over here. You can see the formula use automatically. That depends on the data type. If it is in text, it will count the number of cells, and if it is in numbers or in currency type, it will do the sum of the data. Just click over here, click on the values field. You will get the different type of functions you can use for calculating the total values. So now, and here also you can do the formatting. So click over here and go to the number format, numbers, select the separator. So you can do the formatting of your data as well. So now click over here, so you can see, and you have different type of format ready-made already created by the Excels for you. So you can create the format by yourself as per your choice. I think this would be great. It looks nice. So now you have summary of the total sales year wise. In a few clicks you got the report. In the similar way you can create the reason wise. So now I want the reason wise sales using the column function. So come to the reason and drag this to the column side. So now we have 4 regions: central, east, south and west. You can create the report by that way, and we can also create the filter using the product name, subcategory and anything using the filter option. See, you just drag the category. Now your boss wants to, summary or the report only for the furniture category. Just select the furniture, click over here. Now it will filter for you. You can select office supplies and technology. You can create like that. If you want multiple, then you can select multiple options. So now you have options for furniture and technology. So in a few clicks you are getting very good report. You can further filter it. You can go to the subcategory and drag just before the category, and here you just click over here, and further you can select like you want the binders. So category binders only, so you don't have any. I think we need to select the category. So you have subcategory wise total as well. Actually it is coming under the office supplies. I think we did not get any data using the binders. You can further filter the data using the multiple items. So it is the similar option. Here also you can filter the data by using this one. Click over here, you can do the date filters. Already there are a lot of standard filter criteria available for filtering next quarter, next month. So lot of options are there, and you can also select the custom filter by using this one. So equals to this one, and between, to, after. There are a lot of options for filtering as well. So pivot table has a lot of scope to creating the dynamic reports. So I hope guys you understand the pivot tables. If you have a specific query, you can do comment. I will try to create a video on particular query and try to give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video. Please come back again.